this thing.
Peace of God.
All right, is this recording? Yeah, it should be recording. Hopefully audio does sound okay, but is this what it's looking like, y'all? With the, let me get some water actually. Very, very, very hot outside today. I'm not sure I can see that, but 97 degrees. But yeah, here's my car. I'm gonna try to talk a little louder than normal, so if it sounds like I'm screaming, I just want this GoPro to pick it up. I should have cleaned my wheels. I forgot to do that last time. But this car still works. It still runs awesome. Y'all can hear it, obviously, I hope. But yeah, here's what my car looks like, man. If you're new to the channel or it's your first time watching, 2017 Camaro 2SS. Sucker's nice, man. It's a joke. You don't want to be back there for too long because, you know, you get ammonia or Nemo or something like that. As far as mods on the car, I did get these tail lights maybe last year, 2 years ago, from a friend who was parting out his Camaro. Also, Borla Attack axle back, along with the Borla, Borla X pipe. And then leading up to that, I got some Cook's headers. Show y'all this. Well, I don't want to get too close to it, but in between there, I kind of have to get close to it because the camera's on my freaking forehead. But it's hot, very, very, very hot. Hope y'all can see that. Got the headers in there, a little cold air intake. Coil catch can. What else? You know, it's not really stock, but you know, a couple mods on it, you know. Some keep it a little fast. Sounds good for sure. I don't drive fast at all, cause like, for what? You wanna drive fast? I hop on Gran Turismo 7 any day, and 4K. I might even do it in VR. But in the meanwhile, hey, this is crazy because look, for me, this is real life. Like, I could stop right here and just not move for the next 10 minutes. But it's real life, so I can do what I want. Also, I bet this video is not gonna be uploaded in virtual reality. You can upload the video like in virtual reality. So from my perspective, it's just, you know, real life. But from your perspective, y'all could like move in the back seat, look up wherever y'all want to. I need to clean back there. not gonna jump it. I want to though, but I'm not gonna jump it out. Man, that's awesome. Are we recording? Let them know what a real car sounds like. That C8 is nice to watch this. Oh, he didn't even look. He did not look. It's okay though. I enjoyed it. Another C8. car sounds awesome, y'all. Y'all comment down below. It's crazy because I've had this car since 2017, man. This is my first, you know, I guess driving, well, not driving video, but like GoPro type, like if y'all are in the car with me, because usually the camera is like right here, just like pointed this way. So yeah, but yeah, hopefully this is a cool angle, man. Hopefully this looks nice. Obviously I don't know what it's looking like because I'm still recording it, but man, that blue C8 over there that old dude was driving, that was cool. I revved the car. I know he heard it, dude. He had to hear it. He didn't look though, but maybe he don't got his his ears turned on right about now. But yeah, just a little driving video for the car. I'm kind of last minute, man. I just thought about doing this video earlier this week because I found this GoPro in my drawer, but then I thought I was going to Starbucks, right? No way, man. No way I'm going to Starbucks. Fuck Starbucks. That's how I'm feeling, man. And I really don't want to scrape nothing right here. Alright, we're going to have to do the mobile order because I don't know how much closer I could possibly get. We should be okay right here, I think, though. That should be perfect. Oh, damn, the top came off on that one. I would put the GoPro back on my head, y'all, but man, it's kind of tight on my head. Maybe I got a big head, maybe a lot of hair. Man, this pretzel right here, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Check me out. The cheese just needs like a little bit of loving, man. It's not like too bad. Check me out, man. Oh my goodness. Alright, I just kind of wanted to get a little video of, you know, me holding my drink out with the car in the background. Not a lot in the background, you know. I'm in Texas, you can probably tell. Being a chef, somebody asked where I work. I'm a truck dispatcher. We kind of like deal with those folks over there. That's like a big ass rail thing, but you know. But anywho, golly, hopefully you can see this pretty good. But y'all imagine in a couple years when everybody has like, I don't know, cameras in their eyes and stuff. But let's get a good angle of that. Let's look up a little bit just to get like a perfect angle. Yeah, it's freaking hot outside today, man. 98 out here.